Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning or good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I will say thank you to Komite for the time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Purnamasari. I am a postgraduate student in Yogyakarta State University. Here I will present the result of the journal I have created with the title is Effective Learning Media in Online Biology Learning Anticipating COVID-19, a Literature Review. The first is Introduction. In accordance with the circular letter of the Ministry of Education and Culture or Kemendikbud number 4 of 20,000 concerning the implementation of education policies in the emergency period of the spread of coronavirus disease of COVID-19. Related to the learning process states that learning from home through online or distance learning is carried out to provide meaningful learning for students. Online learning is learning that utilizes multimedia technology, video, virtual classes, animate online text, voice message, email, conference calls, and online streaming video. Interesting and fun online learning media can help get rid of boredom in the learning process. According to Gikas and Grant, online learning basically requires the support of mobile devices such as smartphones or tablets and laptops that can be used to access information anywhere and anytime. And finally, in today's distance learning, teachers must be ready to use technology by the times. The success of teachers in implementation online learning in the COVID-19 pandemic is the ability of teachers to innovate in activities to design and develop learning media. Journal method that I do using is literature study method, where information and data collected are obtained from literature review in the form of articles that have previous research or research results that are considered valid from reference such as international journals and national journals relate to the title of the article discussed. And the third is result and discussion. Effective learning media in online biology learning. The success rate of learning in a course can be determined from several aspects, among which our educators are able to design and plan the media used and prepare appropriate teaching materials to achieve interactive and communicative learning. During the COVID-19 pandemic, online learning became a solution in carrying out the learning process. Some effective learning media that can be carried out in implementation online biology learning are the type of hypermedia. Student and educator can advocate of learning applications such as Google, YouTube, Teacher Room, and ITC to be used as a learning resource as well as is Google Meet, Google Classroom, Zoom, and ITC. Therefore, effective biology learning media used during a pandemic. The number one is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is one of the platforms provided by Google Suite that allow teachers to be able to create virtual classes, invite students to join classes, provide information related to teaching and learning activities, provide teaching material that students can learn in the form exposure files, file and learning videos. Google Classroom is one of the suggestions for learning during the current COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. Using Google Classroom as a learning process can enable students as participants to achieve assignment and link them to storage at Google Drive. The presence of Google Classroom as one of the learning media is in demand and creates new experience for students in the digital content management class. And the second is Google Meet. Google Meet, like Google Classroom, is part of Google Suite, provide to facilitate learning that allow teachers and students to meet face-to-face through a gadget or computer screen and greet each other via voice. The result of research conducted by Firman et al. 2020 revealed that students show a tendency to prefer synchronous learning through video conferencing. Learning through Zoom or Google Meet is considered better because it allows you communicate directly with teachers or other fellow students. The third is Zoom meeting. One of the distance learning that can be implementation in students is by video conference. Zoom cloud meetings can be used for face-to-face online learning that allow teachers and students to meet as well as student in a platform that interact visually or soundly. In a study conducted by Danin Hakim 2020 regarding the use of Zoom meeting in online learning, 30 students choose Zoom meeting as an effective learning medium in online learning like this. The use of the application is Zoom meeting considered very practical for students. And the last is the teacher room or ruang guru. The teacher room is a platform that provides free access, but not all content. Only for online school tabs that are available. Through the use of this platform in helping students in online learning today, it is expected that it can support student cognitive abilities in the realm of knowledge, then its student interpersonal skill in the realm of group collaboration too. As student interpersonal abilities in the realm of independence and responsibility. Online learning also has advanced, one of which is being able to foster self-regulate learning. Online learning is more student-centered, which causes them to be able to generate responsibility and autonomy in learning. Learning online requires students to prepare their own learning, evaluate, organize, and simulatories maintain motivation in learning. And finally is the conclusion. The COVID-19 pandemic has directly or indirectly changed aspects of life. This includes the use of digital technology in the learning process, one of which is the use of media biology online learning, which is effective to use or apply during the current pandemic is Google Meet, Google Classroom, Zoom, and Teachers Room or Ruang Guru. The application of this learning media can also have a positive impact, including increasing learning outcome, cognitive, creative thinking skill, learning satisfaction, and independent learning biology of students, and students do not get bored easily in following online learning. Okay, that's enough presentation that I can deliver. More or less, I apologize. Stay healthy and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.